Hi all, thanks for watching my video. Today I am going to take class on string operations with real-time examples. I'll open a new task. So this is my new task. So in this string operation commands. So in this string operations command, there will be more number of operations are available. Depends on your requirements. So mostly the text we are getting, it will be extracted from the sources. So it can be the web page, or it can be from Excel, or it can be from any other applications. So whenever the text we are getting at the runtime, we will not get the exact text. Okay, for example, if you are doing, suppose if you are submitting your invoices, the invoice number will be generated, but the invoice number will be generated with along with some sentences. So how you can extract the exact number, invoice number, so that we can store it in one variable, and based on that, when we are uploading to the web application or somewhere else, we can give that. So with the group of letters, how we can extract the specific text. So for that only we will do the string operations. So whatever, so other than that, suppose if you want to assign it to some list, or from the list you want to get their values, so those kind of things we can able to do it in the string operations. So we will see one by one. So let me explain one by one. So first we will go for the before and after operations. So before and after is, so that we will get some paragraph or a group of letters. So in that we can give before and after, because the text will be always will be in the same pattern only. So in that way, in that case, what we can do is we can know about the before and after. Suppose we submitted the document and we getting some pop-up from the web application, like your document has been saved successfully, and below is your invoice number with some sentence. So now this is a sentence, always it will display, but the invoice number will be generated every time. So in that case, we know before and after text. So in that way we can give the before and after to get the specific text. So now what I will do is I will give some string here. So you can able to see, so whenever we are submitting it, so you assume that this will be our string. So we got this string. So how we can tell them like the before and after, and also we have a logical operator as well. I'll tell one by one. So now we just assume that occurrence is first occurrence only, everything. So now so I want to get only the invoice number. So for that, what is my before will be number, what is my after as. So in that case I will give you number before my text. This number text will be present. After that, as will be present. So in between only my text will be present there. So that I have given here. And the logical operator is, so we can give this or that. It can be appear, and also sometimes it will not appear. So in that case we can give or operator. So and operator is must. So my text always be present in between number and as. So that is why the and operator you can use. Now you assume this two will be there. So my text will be present only inside that. So I can give the and operator. So I will tell you, if you give or operator as well, the occurrence is nothing but in which occurrence we are going to get that. You see, the number will be the first occurrence and as will be the second occurrence. So the text also some other will be present. You see, so again we are getting some other text as well. In this also same the as number, some numbers will be present in this also, but I don't want this number. So this number is there. So this is also having the same pattern here. So before also number is coming, after also number as is coming. So in this, I want to get the first one will be only the generated invoice number. This will be sub numbers. I don't want sub numbers. So in these cases, so what we can do? We can go with the occurrence. Occurrence will be like the numbers will be in the first occurrence and as will be the second occurrence. So it will be come from your left side to the right side. So it will not be from bottom to top. It will be from always search comes from top to the bottom. So in that case, the occurrence will be starts from here. So for us it will be 1 and 2. Suppose if you want this number, your occurrence will be 2 and 2 in that case, if you want to get this. Okay, so that we will see. So this is, and after that we have the characters as well. Suppose if you are getting invoice number, in this some other text also coming, so you don't want that. If you want the numbers, you can enter that extracted also. If you want 5 characters or 6 characters, you can enter it. And the trim and extra white spaces we can remove by check this. The trim it will be, and remove the entered characters, that also will be entered if you give this. So this option is, suppose if there is whatever the pattern you have given that is not present, the text will be written nothing. So in that case, what they have given the option as well, one is source text, the whatever text you have, that will be returned to the variable, or the empty string will be returned to you. So first I'll go with the empty now. So now I'll give it to the prompt assignment. So I will show one message box to show that. So you can able to see we got the string, okay, from the paragraph. So the same way I will show you. So now I will change, I'm not changing anything. So okay, first we'll go with the logical operator again. So logical operator I'll give you or. In that case, what will happen? See the same number given. Why? Because anyway I have given after. After is as. So before this can be, this may not available also. So now in this case you assume this is available. So it will work with OR operator as well as the AND operator. Suppose if this text is not available, you see what happens with OR conditions. So now what happened? It taken the this second one, because the number is available here and as. So first it will see the string. So where that pattern matches with the string. So first it will check for. So first it will check for that, because this pattern will be matching anywhere. Okay, because it is matches this first. So that will be assumed as a first occurrence. So that's why this I have taken. So this is a difference between and OR operators. So based on your requirements, you have to give that. Okay. But when the number is present, the first one will be taken from here only, because this may work for OR as well as AND. Okay. The based on the conditions, you have to do that. So now you assume. So now I have taken this. Now you see number is available. So now I will run it. You can able to see what text is it will display. You see the first pattern, because when we give the OR operator, first it will check for the matching text. So it is matched. So it have written this. So when it will compare with this, so it will check for this only first. Okay. So first this one get matches. So it have returned this. So now I will remove and run this. So it has given the entire string. Why? Because so we have given as. So as will be my after, but before we have given only the number. It can be number can be available in after. The another option is anything also can available. So in that case, OR operator will work. That's how it will work. So after as the first occurrence and the before this, everything will be taken. So everything will be assigned to the message box. So that's how it works. Suppose this week completed, the occurrence will go later. So now what I will do is I have given some other text. So this will not match anything. In that case, what will happen? Because if no match found, we have written empty string. So we'll see whether the string empty string will be returned or not to the prompt assignment variable. Yes, it has. So whenever the pattern is not matched here, it will return you the empty string here. Okay. So now we have seen this. So we have a occurrence will be available. So now what I will do is number. So here also number. So number, I will change it to AND operator as. So now what I will give is my occurrence will be 2 and as occurrence will be after number. Okay, after number my occurrence will be 1. Okay, so now I will save and run it. We got, because you see number will be my second occurrence, but as will not be my second occurrence, because it will start from here only. Before is number, after this how many as occurrence. Suppose I have one more as here, in that case you can mention the second, second occurrence. If you give, see I will show you the occurrence how it will work from the before to the after. So I have given 2. In that case a number as well as has been also will be extracted. You see, I will run and show you. See, this is how it works. Okay, so whenever you are giving the before, that is your actual occurrence. So number will be my second occurrence from the string, but whatever I have mentioned here, from this only this occurrence will be counted. So this is my first occurrence, this will be my second occurrence. So in this case I want the exact number, I want to give only the first occurrence. Okay, so this is how these things work. And character, so I will give you only the 5 characters. The first 5 strings only will be extracted from here. See, only 4 characters will be extracted from here. You can see 7 4, sorry, white spaces also will be available here. Yes, white space also available here. Yeah, now we got. Okay, so now the other one is pending is a source string. Okay, suppose any patterns are not matching, it will give you the return source string. So that we can able to see it here. That is also a minute. So number as character source string. Okay, sorry, I have given the character 5, that's why it is extracted characters 5. First 5 it will give us a document. So I will make it empty. So now I will run. So whatever I have given, it is not matching, so I will run and I will show you. Okay, the whole string we got. So I hope you all understand. So how the occurrence and the occurrences will work. The first occurrence will be before text. From the before text only the second occurrence will be counted. So and or operators, or will be either, and will be must. Both of the text before and after should be present. So then only the string will be written. So this pattern will be matches with the string. So this is number of characters you want. We can mention how many characters. So this will be trimming, and the whatever the enter characters will be present in some strings, so that is also will be ignored. Only you will get the exact string. So that we can assign it to the variable. So this string operation return type is a string. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.